Alright guys, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is under the spotlight today. I think the general statement would be the market's back on the downside, right? On the back foot again. Looks like I gave the market too much credit for a potential upside reversal. I was talking about a full-fledged upside reversal. We started to play around with that idea because we've seen a few interesting breakouts. However, since it was inside of the weekly session, we kind of felt that it may be a fake, right? Fake breakouts all over the place, pretty much. Check out the Bitcoin. We're talking about the level is, the big level here, locally speaking, of course, is the resistance of 22,887. Now, price action did spend a couple of days outside of the range and above that level. However, it's coming back. Now, I believe this little breakout that we've seen over the last couple of days was fake out. So false breakout, and price action is already priming itself for a turnaround, for a downside reversal. Still, we're talking short-term perspective here. And remember this move that I was talking about, about a week ago, right? Because we did get in. However, we got stopped out, right? We got in small, and our stop loss was kind of tight. Price action went up, and stretched itself all the way to the edge. More than that, it was overshooting and having a fake breakout. But now we can catch that move, right? We're not done with this one yet. We did take a break just to figure out what was going on. I think we're figuring it out. So now we're going to get more aggressive on the way down, because I think this is has much better probability for success, right? Success probability is much higher here than what it was 3 days ago when we were talking about that move. Let me show you something quite interesting. Keep an eye on that level again, 22,887, with the weekly regarding the weekly perspective. Check it out. I'm going to zoom in. We can already see what's cooking. This spike that you see is what's happening. This is what's going on right now. Price is pulling back down. This is the failure of the break above 22,887 materializing right in front of our eyes. I think that's a big deal. So, as you can imagine, we're taking action, basically firing up that same bearish campaign we had a couple of days ago, re-establishing that short position. Like I said just a minute ago, we're gonna be more aggressive this time, right? We need to make up on the last loss we had to take here a couple of days ago, right? So we want to not just compensate, but overcompensate and make sure we're gonna kill it. So there you go. This is it. Stop loss level just before we wrap this up, 25,000 spot. That's our stop loss level. We just need to make sure price action begins to base itself below 22,887, and then we'll begin to drop them bombs all the way to our primary target and final destination, in this case 18,627.4, which you should be familiar with because I've been talking about this setup and I've been talking about this potential price target, profit target a few times before, right? It's not the first time. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Bitcoin, looking forward to come back, follow up, keep you posted as usual. In the meantime, wishing you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. Till then, be well.